Hi guys, I'm Lisa and welcome back to What the Bake. This week we will be making these super cute ice cream cone cupcakes. It's filled with some funfetti cupcakes inside, decorated with some delicious buttercream icing, and then topped off with ganache and some sprinkles. They're perfect for any party, so without further ado, let's get baking. We will first start with our cupcake mix. In a large mixing bowl, we will add our butter and castor sugar. Mix until it is light and creamy. Add your eggs and mix well. Next we can add our flour, salt, vanilla, and some milk. Mix again until all the ingredients are well combined. To make this a funfetti cupcake, we are going to add some sprinkles. Mix using a rubber spatula or a spoon. We're going to fill our baking pan with these ice cream cones. I decided to put my cupcake batter in a piping bag just to make it easier to fill the ice cream cones. Be sure not to overfill your cones. Then we will bake in the oven for around 15 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius. Next we'll move on to our delicious buttercream icing. I actually made an in-depth video about all things buttercream a couple weeks ago. I'll pop the link somewhere up here so you guys can go check it out. Fill a piping bag with your buttercream icing and then you can start decorating. Lastly, let's move on to the ganache. In a mixing bowl, you can add your chocolate, sugar, cream, and butter. Heat in the microwave and remember to stir. We will top off our ice cream cupcake with some delicious chocolate ganache and don't forget the sprinkles. And there you guys have it, my version of an ice cream cone cupcake. They're so easy to make and they're the perfect bite-sized treat for any party. Now as usual, if you guys like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And if you guys try this, and I really hope you do, they're super delicious, remember to take a photo and tag me on Instagram. Have fun baking!